Hello, and welcome to Building a Voice-Enabled Serverless Website with AWS Pali. And in this module, we will explore how to get started with AWS Pali. First, we will look at why we should use voice and why Pali is such a great choice, before diving in hands-on to explore the fundamentals of Pali using the console and the AWS CLI. To set the context, let's see what the current voice ecosystem looks like. In recent years, we have become accustomed to having voice assistants in our homes to help us create a smart home. Next, we've been using voice to learn via online courses or apps, for example, when learning a new foreign language. Podcasts have become very popular too, and we can listen to our favorite shows anytime. Audiobooks have seen a surge in recent years as well, with the trend predicted to continue. The obvious question is, why is it that now voice is disrupting the way we live? We have very busy lifestyles and we want to learn anywhere, even on the way to work. It's more convenient and faster to speak a command rather than typing it in. Also, there is the loneliness aspect, and new voice interactions help us have more human-like conversations. Pali is an artificial intelligence service from AWS that turns text into lifelike speech. It has natural-sounding voices using deep learning. It supports multiple languages. It offers low latency for audio streams. You can customize and control the speech output, and we will see that shortly. What are the advantages of using AWS Pali? First, you can write your content once and have Pali automatically bring it to life for you. It's a scalable solution. You can change voices easily and add foreign languages without extra effort. You can reduce your costs. You don't need to purchase special microphones and recording devices, nor do you have to do any studio recording. It can be real-time, you can send text to be converted, and you can play the audio stream immediately to the end user. This has been a brief intro to Pali. Whenever you're ready, let's start using it.